the additional work of the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3 was sanctioned recently, and work is expected to be completed by next financial year.
Process.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may we know from Honorable Minister in charge of PHE, the original sanction of Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme and detail of expenditure till date, sir.
Sir, the original sanction, it is 193.49 crores, and the expenditure till date, it is 17,429.68 lakhs. 17,429.68 lakhs, sir.
Sir. So may I know from Honorable Minister, for the last 10 years, how much the state have been invested on this project, sir?
Sir, I have just replied that the expenditure spent, which is the investment of the state, it is 17,429.68 lakhs till date, sir. That is the expenditure, sir.
Sir, may I know from Honorable Minister, for the last 10 years, is there any central assistance for this project, sir?
The central share on this project is 90%, sir. And from the central, we have received 17,414.75 lakhs. And yes, I want to correct my reply if he intend to know about the state share. So the state share on this project,
sir,
it is...
Sir, may I intervene, sir, because that is our second question. I've already asked for the last 10 years how much the state have been invested on the project, sir. But he gave the reply of 193. But according to what he replied, it seemed that 17 crore, it is a central share, sir. I would like the Minister to correct the second question first, then I can go to the third question, sir.
Yeah, Minister, please.
You want to know the investment from the state government only?
Sir, I think you will not, because that is the second question. I've already passed the third question. He got back to the second question. Sir, whether I ask back or...
May you repeat the second question?
Yeah,
No, mainly important, sir, because I'm looking only 5 questions.
It's okay. You may repeat the second question, please.
Okay, sir. May I know, sir, according to his reply, I can understand that 183 crore, this project. But I've only asked for the last 10 years how much the state have been invested. Then, from his side, he said that 193, the third question is central assistance. Central assistance, he said, we have only received about 17 crore. It seems that you have already applied for the central, not the state service, not the state share, sir.
What was he was asking about? What was the amount invested from the state in the last 10 years?
Yeah. The state in the last 10 years has invested the state share of 10% of this project. It is 1,934.97 lakhs. 1,934.97 lakhs. That is the state share that the state has contributed.
The third question, what was the central amount that is sanctioned for that?
Sir, I have replied the state share. I have given the figure, and the central share, it is 17,414.75 lakhs. That is the central share.
So, may I urge even me and all this, when we reply, we have to statement to look to yourself, not meant to other members. So I don't want to contradict more. it seems so much of contradiction regarding the state or the center. So because we are interested for the work, the people will get work, will get water. So last, Honorable Chief Minister have only earmarked 25 crore only earmarked for the current financial year. Whether this 25 crore is enough for the completion of remaining works?
Sir, it will not be enough. Sorry for the honorable member from Molai. I thought it will be clear. Otherwise, I have no intention. Actually, of course, first of all, sir, I want to appreciate honorable member from Molai for concerning this particular project, which we all are concerned. And I know also the reason why he is concerning, because Maulai, it's one of the localities which are facing lots of difficulty in water supply. I have been staying in many localities in Maulai, and I understand the problem of water supply over there. And I could feel the pain of honorable member from Maulai while thinking about the water supply and the problem faced by the people. So, sir, I want to reply to the question he raised again about whether it's sufficient for that amount that the government has released now for the additional fund that is required. In fact, the additional fund is required is 65.57 crores. The additional fund is that required is 65.57 crore, out of which we got 12.5 crores, and we are still waiting for the remaining. So that is the reply, sir. It will not be sufficient. We are still waiting to get more.
Sir.
Last question.
So thank you very much, sir, for Honorable Minister, because you have already been named about Maulai constituency. It is a fact. But I'm sure even him also in the future, he will remain here because his house, his place is there. I will be much happy if you take so much concern for the completion. It is a fact, sir, that so much of problem in my constituency. But, sir, the last question you have already said. So the honourable member have already mentioned about the additional work. So I know from Honourable Minister, the remaining and additional work that the department will take up in detail in what way that additional work will be taken up, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, of course, to keep the additional work that required in detail, it may not be possible at present. If honourable member wants, I will place the details on the table of the House due to the paucity of time. But, sir, the work that we have completed till date, it is 72%, and the remaining work is still need to be done. So, and I want to assure honourable member from Maulai that I'm taking seriously on this particular project. And, sir, I want to tell this Akos House that the department is intending to celebrate the achievement of completion of this project along with the 50th anniversary of the state. So that is the intention of the government, and you understand the seriousness of the department to complete this scheme. And with the supportive modes of our Honourable Chief Minister, I really hope that we will be able to complete this scheme, sir.
Yeah. Ampering, please. Sir, you have already crossed 5.
Honourable member have to give assurance. So I would like, sir, to repeat again, because I've only used the word assurance, and I'm sure that that will be a very serious matter. Then, in case of anything, Assurance Committee will take care, sir. Thank you, sir.
Honourable Speaker, sir, may I inquire from the Honourable Minister PHE whether or not the blue pipes have been commissioned with water?
Blue pipe. Yeah, in some of the locations where the work has been completed, has been commissioned also, but in some of the areas where work not yet completed, it has not been commissioned.
Honourable Speaker, sir, to you, sir, you also live in my constituency. It's not just Maulai that is facing this crisis of water, sir. The entire Shillong city seeks the attention of the PHE on this matter urgently. Now, sir, May I know which are the areas where this blue pipe has been commissioned and have water running through them?
It's so specific, sir. It's so specific answer that required, so I require notice for that.
So GSW3 means blue pipes to the common man. So it is very much related, sir. Nevertheless, we are hearing, sir, that AMRUT, funding for AMRUT will be now dovetailed to complete the GSWSS Phase 3 project. Are we hearing correct? Because AMRUT is from Urban Affairs, whereas the PHE is a different department altogether. We will have problems like we did during the laying of the pipes, where there was a conflict between PWD and PHE, if you remember correctly, sir. So if AMRUT will be now diverted, or shall I say, sent to the completion of GSWSS Phase 3, have all these issues been settled?
Sir, this problem has not come to my notice till now, so I am not able to reply, because this problem, I mean that, of course, in the department we are working to complete the scheme, but about the question by honorable member from Laem Kra about the urban also are trying to complete this same project, I don't have any answer on that, sir.
So one question, yeah.
Yeah.
Sir, the project was originally also funded by GNNURM, so which is under urban funding itself. So it's the same, sir. But the implementing agency was the PHE, because urban didn't have the manpower to implement a project like that. So the funding has always been under GNNURM, which is urban, and we are exploring options for AMRUT. But at the same time, sir, we received a very special package from Government of India, not just us, the entire Northeast and other states also, which is a special assistance to state for capital expenditure, which was meant for projects which were 50%, 60%, 70% complete and just needed a bit more funding to finish them. So based on that, from that fund of 200 crores, we have taken out 12.5 now. We'll take out some more, and because we have received the first installment of 100. So we released 12.5, we'll release some more. So we are looking at all forms of funding, because as the Honorable Member mentioned, Honorable Minister mentioned, that we are very, very keen to see this project being completed.
So my last query. So out of this 133.49 crores, we've seen that this is the information given to us by the Honorable Minister. Now, out of this original sanction, sir, what was the fund allocation for the installation of meters, and what is the progress of the GSWSS Phase 3 in as far as metering of water is concerned?
That also, it's so detailed, I don't have the information with me, sir, about the expenditure that will be required, the items that will spend with this amount. So I request Honorable Member to give notice for that, so that we can, it will be benefit. Or I will place in the table of the House for the information about the expenditure that we will spend for this amount of 193.49 crores rupees.
Now, SK Sum.
So, the other day when the Honorable Chief Minister was replying to the general discussion on the budget, I heard he was telling that the scope of the Phase 3 of the Greater Shillong Water Supply Project has been reduced. Am I hearing correctly? If I'm hearing correctly, may I know from the Minister what are the components of the project which has been reduced in scope as stated by the Chief Minister on the day of the reply to the general discussion of the budget?
That detailed estimate, because the revised estimate is there, sir. So there may be some item that may not require. That I think it will involve in the revised estimate. but that also a specific item that which component of work is reduced and which component of work is increased, that it's included in the revised estimate, sir.
Sir, I'm not getting the right reply. Anyway, I will ask him. I had been taking up the issue of laying of distribution networks for the entire 7 urban centers of Shillong since the budget session of 2018. Why I was asking this question, sir? When I was the chief engineer in 2014, PWD revoked the permission to PHE to lay the pipe. So since 2014, we have stopped the work of laying distribution network in and around Shillong. So in 2018, when I became the MLA, I raised the issue on the floor of this house. And I recall the Deputy Chief Minister in charge, PWD, he was telling that PWD will not stand on the way of development. And I could understand since then, PWD was willing to invoke back their permission accorded to the PHE. But I was still wondering why since then, till now, distribution network have not been resumed by PHE, for which the work has already been awarded to the contractors and suspended because the PWD revoked the permission. And I could understand from the question raised by the honorable member from Maulai, when will we get water from phase 3 of the project? Meaning that when only this distribution network are laid and commissioned, then they will get water from this project. So may I know from the minister whether the distribution network of the project has resumed or going to be resumed or going to be abandoned?
Sir, thank you so much, Honorable Member from Oklang. He knows everything about this project.
I know.
Really, after the NOC is being issued by PWD, the department has requested the contractors to resume back to the work. But soon after receipt of NOC, the contractors of 10 number zone entrusted with the work of laying distribution network in 10 zones were asked to mobilize man and machineries and start the remaining work. But the contractors have requested the department to enhance the entire tender value of work, which will be possible only after receiving sanction of the revised estimate. That was the main reason, sir, that the contractors, after being asked by the department to resume the work, they expressed unwillingness due to the price escalation and many reasons, and they have requested to revise the estimate. That is the main reason that the work could not take up. So only when the proposal for revised estimate for sanctioned only during 2020, and now the work in some of the location has started again, sir.
One last question, sir. I recall the Government of India has imposed a 10% penalty on the state share of the cost of the project, which is 174 crore. That is roughly around 17.4 crore because of the inability by the state conduct municipal election. So is that 17.4 crore has been given back by the Government of India, or it's still pending with the Government of India?
That information also is not with me, sir. I require notice.
Then how much central share have you got? Last question,
said
sir.
that it will be the last question.
Last question.
You should have said last 2 questions, in fact, then I will allow you.
Maybe last 3.
No. I think
Okay,
that's beyond
okay. Then how much is the total central share you have got from this 193.49 crore, which is the cost of the project? 90% is the central share, which is 174 crore. Out of 174 crore, how much you have got?
I will give the full details of the installment released by the central government, sir. On 2010-2008, 4,353.69 lakhs. On 8 June 2011, 4,353.69 lakhs. On 27 January 2012, 4,353.69 lakhs. On 13th April 2016, 4,353.69 lakhs. So the amount received from the central government is 17,414.76 lakhs.
Sir,
We move to Sir Rajiv. Yes.
thank you, sir. May I inquire from the Honorable Minister, which are the areas, localities will be covered under phase 3?
Sir, I will just read the name of the localities that are covered by this crater, by this GSWS. Shillong Municipal Board area, Shillong Cantonment Board, Maulai, Nong Thamai, Anthor Omkra, Nong Mansong, and Madan Riting, sir.
Oh, one more, sir. What will be the amount of water made available in the public through phase 3?
Do you have the information or not?
I'm trying to locate, sir, but
It will take too much time.
I think it will take too much
Question
time.
hour.
Sir, it will take too much time. I could not allocate the.
You ask for notice.
Yeah, I need notice for that question, sir.
Thank you.
This information be laid on the floor of the table so that we may go through it at leisure and understand it deeper, sir, please.
Yes,
Minister?